Hi, I'm John Haggerty of the Virginia Lottery, and this is a 2011 Ford Mustang GT convertible. And we are here at Sheehy Ford Subaru in Springfield to present this car to Mr. Anteneh Abera of Springfield. He scratched in the Virginia Lottery's Muscle Car Money game and won this. He is the 8th player to scratch and win with one of those tickets, the Muscle Car Money game from the Virginia Lottery. And so, Anteneh Abera, come on up here and take the keys to your new 2011 Ford Mustang GT convertible.
Thank you, Virginia Lottery. I'm happy. I'm appreciating it. Thank you. Thank you. I scratch it, then it's coming car. I don't believe CAR I seen, then car, I win car, I said, then I'm jumping. I'm dancing at that time. Ooh, I'm happy. Ooh. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Virginia Lottery. This is the first, not the last. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Virginia Lottery. Thank you.